So now we are to create our first element for our home screen. So this is our home screen, this is my home screen, and this is my first element. So I'm going to take you through creating an element, either creating or uploading. Creating means you are designing, uploading means you are picking it from your you are picking a file from your computer. So quickly, anytime you're starting a new project in Scratch, you go to File. That's if there's an existing project there. You go to File, then you go to New Content. Yeah. You go to File, then you go to New. So you're not likely to use this cut. If you want to use this cut as your home screen element, that's fine, but you're not likely to use it. So in uploading an element, you go to Upload Sprite, then you pick an image. I'll pick an image from, I don't really have images on this PC. Let me go somewhere here. Let's say I wanted to use this image of penguins. I'll pick this image and it will show you. So this image is what is my home screen element, basically. Okay. Let's say I wanted to design instead. So I'll go to Paint, and then let's say I wanted to design a circle, and I wanted a color to be this. Then that would basically be it. I would draw the circle, and this would be my home screen. So depending on what you want to create, you have circle, you have squares, you have text, you have paint. You can get creative and do what you want to do, but this is just your home screen element. So it's important. It's interesting. It should be simple, just so that you can get out of that phase early. So let's leave here quickly. Okay. Sorry, I've closed some files we should have been opened. Okay. Now the first code you would have to write. So they'll have to write the code for their I have to write the code for the homepage element, right? Yeah, so this is it. This is my homepage element. The first code you have to write is when the flag is clicked. When the flag is clicked is basically to start the application onto. So this is it. Okay. When I click my flag, broadcast start application. You don't have to write particularly this, any message that you want to send out to start your application, broadcast start up and start sound. You don't necessarily have to use a sound. It depends on the student. If the student wants a sound alongside his application, then this will work for him. So this is the first code you need to write for, and you're writing it for this flag basically. Then so when the flag is clicked, this is that application. Then when I receive, so when this element receives this flag, let me check my time. Okay. When this element receives this flag, so let me take you back to the textbook. Sorry. I had to go through this. So you have the textbook, so you know exactly what code to write from the home screen. That's just so that it doesn't get confusing or something like that. So if you see here, in the first instance, so code for when you start your application, this element should have this code. When the flag is clicked, broadcast start up, start sound. Okay, and when I receive, show. You get it? So when I start my application, you send a message, and when this your home screen element receives the startup, it should show, it should appear, because you want it to show when you start what